In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download extension in Cursor AI. By the end, you'll feel confident adding the tools you need to make your coding experience smoother and more powerful. First, open Cursor AI. If it's already running, make sure you're on your main editor window so you can see the sidebar and top menus clearly. Next, open the extensions view. The fastest way is to press Ctrl plus Shift plus X on your keyboard. If that shortcut doesn't open anything, no problem. Just click the extensions icon on the left sidebar. It's the panel where you manage everything you add to Cursor, from language support to formatters and linters. Once you're in the extensions view, look for the search bar near the top. Click into it and type the name of the extension you want. For example, you can type Python if you need language support and tools for Python development, or Prettier if you want an opinionated code formatter. Type slowly and check your spelling so you get the most relevant results. As you type, you'll see a list of matching extensions appear. Find the one you're looking for and click the Install button. You don't need to open a separate page unless you want to read more details. The Install button will begin the download and set everything up for you. Now, wait a few seconds while Cursor downloads and installs the extension. The timing depends on your internet connection and the size of the extension. You might notice a small progress indicator. Just let it finish. Avoid closing the app or switching projects during this step to keep everything smooth. Sometimes, after an extension installs, Cursor will prompt you to reload to activate it fully. If you see a reload or restart button, save your work and click it. This refreshes the environment so the extension is ready to use right away. If you don't get a prompt but something doesn't seem to be working yet, a quick manual reload can help. Close and reopen Cursor, then return to your project. That's it. You've opened Cursor AI, navigated to the extensions panel using Ctrl plus Shift plus X or the sidebar icon, searched for the extension you want, clicked Install, waited for the install to complete, and reloaded Cursor if needed. From here, you can repeat the same process for any other tools you'd like to add. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your upgraded setup in Cursor AI.